Benefits of ashwagandha powder you need to know. Feeling overwhelmed by stress? Does anxiety ever hold you back from living your best life? You may be looking for ways to boost your overall health and well-being. Well, there's a natural herb that's been used for centuries to address exactly those concerns. Well, today, we're diving into the world of ashwagandha powder and its incredible health benefits. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. So, what exactly is ashwagandha? Also known as Withania somnifera, this powerful herb has been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. Originating from India and North Africa, ashwagandha is renowned for its adaptogenic properties, which help the body manage stress and maintain balance. But what makes this herb so special? In this video, we'll explore 10 amazing health benefits of ashwagandha powder that are backed by science. From reducing stress and anxiety to boosting brain function and even enhancing sleep quality, you'll discover why ashwagandha could be the natural solution you've been looking for. Stick around to learn how this powerful herb can transform your health and well-being. Let's get started. Benefit number 1: reduces stress and anxiety. Our first incredible benefit of ashwagandha powder is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Ashwagandha is well known for its adaptogenic properties, which means it helps the body adapt to stress. This herb works by regulating the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, in your body. High cortisol levels can lead to chronic stress and anxiety, but ashwagandha helps bring these levels back to normal. In a study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry, participants who took ashwagandha reported significantly lower stress and anxiety levels compared to those who took a placebo. Another study found that it lowered cortisol levels by up to 30%. Benefit number 2: improves energy levels and stamina. Ashwagandha isn't just great for reducing stress, it's also fantastic for boosting your energy levels and stamina. This herb enhances the body's resilience to physical and mental fatigue, making it a popular choice among athletes and busy professionals alike. Research published in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine showed that ashwagandha supplementation improved cardiorespiratory endurance in healthy adults. Whether you're hitting the gym or just trying to get through a long workday, ashwagandha can help you feel more energetic and less fatigued. Benefit number 3: enhances cognitive function. Ashwagandha has also been shown to enhance cognitive function, making it a valuable supplement for improving memory and mental clarity. This herb supports brain health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which can negatively impact cognitive performance. A study published in the Journal of Dietary Supplements found that participants who took ashwagandha extract experienced significant improvements in their memory, attention, and information processing speed compared to those who took a placebo. Additionally, ashwagandha promotes the growth of nerve cells and protects the brain from degeneration, which is particularly beneficial for older adults. Benefit number 4: supports immune health. A strong immune system is essential for overall health, and ashwagandha can play a crucial role in boosting your immunity. This powerful herb enhances the body's defense mechanisms by increasing the production of white blood cells, which are vital for fighting off infections and illnesses. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology indicated that ashwagandha root extract significantly increased immune cell activity in both healthy individuals and those with compromised immune systems. By incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine, you can help strengthen your immune response, making you more resilient to common colds and other infections. Benefit number 5: anti-inflammatory properties. Ashwagandha is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for reducing inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Ashwagandha helps combat inflammation by suppressing pro-inflammatory cytokines and increasing the activity of anti-inflammatory cells. A study published in the Phytotherapy Research journal demonstrated that ashwagandha significantly reduced markers of inflammation in both human and animal models. By reducing inflammation, ashwagandha can alleviate pain, improve joint health, and support overall well-being. Before we move on, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried ashwagandha powder? Share your experiences and results in the comments below. We'd love to hear how this powerful herb has impacted your well-being. Your insights could help others on their journey toward natural wellness. Let's move on to benefit number 6, regulates blood sugar levels. Another remarkable benefit of ashwagandha is its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. This herb helps improve insulin sensitivity and decreases blood sugar levels in both healthy individuals and those with diabetes. Research published in the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research found that ashwagandha supplementation significantly lowered fasting blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. For those looking to manage their blood sugar naturally, ashwagandha offers a promising solution. Benefit number 7, improves sleep quality. Quality sleep is essential for overall health, and ashwagandha can significantly improve sleep quality. This herb has a calming effect on the nervous system, which helps reduce stress and anxiety, common culprits behind insomnia and poor sleep. Ashwagandha promotes relaxation by regulating cortisol levels and enhancing the production of GABA, a neurotransmitter that helps induce sleep. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that participants who took ashwagandha experienced better sleep quality and reduced instances of waking up during the night. Benefit number 8, enhances sexual health and fertility. Ashwagandha has been traditionally used to enhance sexual health and fertility for both men and women. This powerful herb boosts libido, increases testosterone levels, and improves sperm quality in men, while also supporting reproductive health in women. A study published in the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine showed that men who took ashwagandha experienced significant improvements in sperm count, motility, and overall semen quality. For women, ashwagandha can help balance hormones and regulate menstrual cycles, which are essential for reproductive health. Benefit number 9, supports heart health. Ashwagandha also plays a significant role in supporting heart health. It helps lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are critical for maintaining a healthy heart. This herb's antioxidant properties reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are major contributors to heart disease. A study published in the International Journal of Ayurveda Research found that ashwagandha supplementation led to a significant reduction in LDL bad cholesterol and an increase in HDL good cholesterol. Additionally, ashwagandha helps regulate blood pressure, further contributing to cardiovascular health. Incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine can support a healthy heart and reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues. Benefit number 10, promotes healthy weight management. Finally, ashwagandha can be a valuable ally in promoting healthy weight management. This herb helps regulate metabolism, reduce stress-induced overeating, and balance cortisol levels, all of which are important for maintaining a healthy weight. A study published in the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that participants who took ashwagandha experienced a significant reduction in body weight and body mass index, BMI, compared to those who took a placebo. By reducing stress and improving metabolic function, ashwagandha makes it easier to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Now that we've explored the incredible health benefits of ashwagandha, let's talk about how you can incorporate this versatile herb into your daily routine. Ashwagandha is available in several convenient forms, including powdered root, capsules, extracts, and teas. Each form offers flexibility depending on your preference and lifestyle. For powdered ashwagandha, a typical recommended dosage ranges from 1 to 2 teaspoons per day, mixed into water, smoothies, or yogurt. Capsules usually contain standardized doses, such as 300 to 500 milligrams per capsule, taken once or twice daily with meals. Ashwagandha tea can be brewed using dried root or leaf, steeped in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. To maximize its benefits, consider taking ashwagandha consistently as part of your daily routine. It's advisable to start with a lower dose and gradually increase as needed, paying attention to how your body responds. While ashwagandha offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and precautions. Common side effects may include mild gastrointestinal upset, drowsiness, or headache, especially when starting with higher doses. Individuals who are pregnant or breastfeeding should avoid ashwagandha, as its safety in these populations hasn't been well studied. If you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting ashwagandha. This is particularly important for individuals with autoimmune diseases, thyroid disorders, or those on medications that affect blood sugar or blood pressure. Always read labels carefully and follow recommended dosages. Your healthcare provider can help determine the right form and dosage of ashwagandha for your specific needs, ensuring safe and effective use. Dear viewers, that's it for today's video. I encourage you to try ashwagandha and experience its benefits firsthand. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future health tips. Your support helps us create more content to keep you informed and healthy. Let us know in the comments which benefit you're most excited about, or if you have any questions about ashwagandha. We love hearing from you and are here to help answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and happy.